Welcome. My name is Abel Sanchez. Choosing an editor is a much broader question. We will address that in a separate lesson. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to configure the default out-of-the-box editor in your OS. Within the Mac, that's TextEdit. But as we'll see, TextEdit does a little bit too much for us. Let me go ahead and give you an example of that. If we paste a chunk of HTML here and we save that file, let's go ahead and save. Let's go ahead and choose web page. And we'll call it sample file.html. If we view that file in a plain text editor, we'll see that this is a plain text editor. And you'll see that that sample file that I'm going to drag and drop here has a lot more than what we typed in. So what we want is simple, plain text HTML without any other frills. That's what HTML files are. So let's go ahead and configure our editor to do that. So if you go to the TextEdit pull down and select Preferences, we can then select here from the radio button plain text, and if we go to the second option here, open and save, we can then also unselect add txt to all plain text. We want to be able to select our own extension. So if we go ahead and close this, let me go ahead and open up a new window. And we can see here let me make sure I have the right thing. Yes. We're going to go ahead and select the editor, and we're going to go ahead and paste the same text that we did before. We're going to go ahead and save this. We'll call this one plain text.html. Save. And if we bring back the plain text editor now, and we drag and drop, you can see here I have both files, the plain text, we can see that we get that nice clean text that we entered and nothing else. So in order for you to create HTML without any extra characters, any extra embellishment by your operating system within the Mac, you have to create this edit on your default editor, which is plain text. Now, on the next lesson, I will show you some more sophisticated editors that can do a lot more for you. But for now, if you want to try something else without installing any other editor, do this simple configuration to TextEdit, and you will be able to create clean HTML files. So with that, I'll go ahead and close and say goodbye.